Welcome back to another video. Sorry for the music. We out here, man. Another car meet. We're gonna take a look around, see what's out here. They got an SF90 out front. Oh my God. This build is crazy. It's like a drift build. Them seats though. Whoa, that's crazy. It's 20. Where's the engine?
In addition to the two that greed, just oh yeah. And now I'm out of the tub, I'm feeling fancy free. Spur out some serious, I'm putting my geek on jeans, sweats, and the lift of my pencil. Freaking it up and hitting 1, 2, 3. Shabby, so I can feel myself to this. I'm chilling like a villain, and that's how I'm living. Tonight is the night, and I'm looking real sporty. Friday evening, and I'm ready to party. Crusher came in with a handful of snaps. Let's shoot some crap. Don't shoot the team. I see one a dub, and he 20, but I'm 7 and 11, and I'm 11 and I'm 20. Yeah, watch me cross the hall.
That build is crazy.
Let's break it down so I can get flown. Can't believe that I'm sick from rolling her like a mother while I'm gripping the toe and I need a 7-up because my head
This
is
super sick.
I think I better sit down. My homie shot is alright, but I'm feeling faint. I guess he's used to it. Hands on the phone and Teddy's at the door. And some fine ass coming over at 4. I thought you weren't drinking no more. Yeah.
Another Viper right here in the green. Sorry, buddy. This thing is sick right here. this combo over here, though? Heck. What is going on here? C5. This thing is pretty clean right here. Sitting on BBS's though. Wow. That's nice. Color is freaking mint. Interior is like custom. Oh my God, I don't even know what this is, but it's beautiful. Wow. Yeah, you got a nice Mercedes right here. This is a sleeper. Old school BMW right here. That's their shop right here. It's a lot of old school vehicles and Jim's historic stuff in there, so we'll take a look. We got the classics up in here. Wow. Old school Bronco. It's a nice little shop they got right here. Wow. The farm truck. This thing is crazy right here, a hot rod. Wow. Got a whole engine scene right here.
Oh, have you seen this? Yeah, I saw it. Got the ads here.
Mustang. This interior is clean. I know this is a fun drive right here. This thing is crazy. Wow. Look at the speakers though. Pretty sick shop setup. There's some water. We got the truck straight from Japan. That's too cool. The wheel wall.
And I would do it. Do what I hate, so they try to shoot me. Bright when it started blooming, this beat was bubble gum. So I had
M3 has a huge turbo setup.
Teach me how to do it. 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 The name is Young. For them dudes who don't
M2 and Montana plates. Okay. Old school M3.
Meet me in the mall, it's going down. Meet me in the club, it's going down. Anywhere you meet me, get.
This shit's on a tire. I had to take a look at these right here. Told you, bro, they got some historic vehicles over here, bro. What are these? The food truck.